In this video I will show you the next natural step after creating a client and associated partner record, which is to add an illustration record, which is a set of data at a particular financial date. So from the home page I'm going to find my particular client and I'm going to go to that client. It's just resolving it. It's gone to the page, the illustration records page for that client. Illustration records, as I say, is a set of data, financial data for that client and the partner as at a particular date, which can be used for do financial projections and cash flow planning. Normally there'll be at least one illustration record per tax year because data obviously changes and tax rates change. So on this page, as on the add a client page, there are some tips which are there to help you. There's also a link to a video, but I'm just going to do it now very quickly. I click on add new illustration record. I then need to complete the fields. I need to choose a set of key assumptions, which are things like tax rates, and here there's just one that's available. I'm going to do it for both the client and the partner, so I'm going to choose joint, and then the date at which this illustration is, I'm going to overtype it as having tabbed to it as 31 space Mar for March space 2015, and the price inflation assumption, retail price inflation assumption, that will have been set by default depending on this key assumption choice here, but I'm free to change it if I want to. The default value appears at the top after select rate. I'm going to leave it at this 1.5%, and it's quite useful to have comments to distinguish one illustration set from another. I'm going to now click the update button, and you'll see it's been saved with my changes, and the natural next step would be to click on view inputs to enter detailed information as to the finances of the client and partner at that illustration date, but I could also do things like add notes, or I can carry on adding illustration records. But I will do another short training video on how to view inputs, and we hope you found this short video useful.